Hey, so I am now going to show you how you can view the parent information for the week. If you go to our Google site, which should be at the top of classwork, I'll also send you a link to the Google site in an email. And you come to this page, you will see, to get started, click on the following links: parent page, student page. If you click on the parent page, you'll have access to these little icons. So if you click on newsletter, you will see our updated news for the week. I was afraid that wouldn't work. So if you go back, you can go to homework. Now, for the most part, this will stay the same unless we don't cover something in class or we don't finish something. They may have to finish it for homework, which is when they will write that in their agendas. I am planning on sending grammar homework home this week, kind of like the grammar for today's sheet again. I was trying not to do that because I didn't want them to have too much homework, but from what it sounds like, I think y'all would rather them practice grammar throughout the week. So I will send home that grammar sheet. If it becomes too much, just let me know and we can try to work something out. But I think it's like 5 questions a day. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out why this isn't. I think you can go. Also, I think this right here, you could download this as a PDF. And you'll have it here. I need to go in and make it smaller so you can view the whole thing. So here you've got the homework page. There's a spelling list for the week. This is usually updated on Thursdays. So they can go ahead and start writing down or practicing their new words. They also had these written down on the board on Thursday. So these should be in their agenda. But if not, here they are. There's a contact page with all the teachers for 3rd grade. After school activities, I don't have anything there yet. Subjects, this is kind of just an overview of what we are doing in each subject and when tests are. There's a class page, and this is kind of, this is for my class because the other teachers haven't added to it, but I usually keep you updated with what's going on. And Student of the Week, we don't have that yet either. But if you continue to check with this page, you will see most of the important information for the week. Again, that's underneath the parent page, and here you have the drop-down menu with the quick links. I hope this helps.